Hello friends, I greet you all. Today uh, we are going to look at creating a new project in Visual Studio, and we are going to make um, a demonstration project that is going to be able to manage finances, and that will be loans and accounts. So we shall create here a desktop desktop application that can be able to create accounts for users and save some money on those accounts, and then withdraw some money from there, and then later we shall add in the loan and then loan payment modules. So let's go on. We are going to come to file, new, new project. Here there are so many projects that you can create. This is a Visual Basic, and then this is C Sharp, this is C++, F Sharp. You can use anything. So on our own, let's use C Sharp, and then we don't want a web development application. We want a Windows application. So you can choose any here that you can be able to create, no problem. So after choosing a Windows application here, we choose the framework, and then I think the framework is Windows Form application. And then let's continue here and name our application. We are going to call it finance system. Okay, let me just finance system. Okay, so leave this one ticked. Create directory for a solution. So we continue, and then to build our solution and then open it automatically. Okay, so it has opened the first form, which is this. So now remember, here we shall have accounts for the manager and then for some few people. So this is to take just a little look at it. We have here what we call this bar, where you're seeing Solution Explorer. So under Solution Explorer, this is where we shall be navigating all our files here. This is like a file explorer, but for your project. Then we have Team Explorer. This Team Explorer is actually used for the connecting to the team and all that, but we shall not use too much of this. Then we have these properties. The properties window, we shall use too much of it because it is going to determine the view, how we see the controls over there. How are they set? If it is a button, what is its color? What is its background? What are the images and all that? Then this side we have Server Explorer. This is for the database, and then we have the toolbox, and this is for the tools that we shall be using. Either we want a button, we want a text, we want anything, we shall be picking from there. And then the data source is also there for the data connection. Okay, so let's create a new form uh, from here. So you come to Solution Explorer, right click in the name of our project, and then choose new, add a new item, and then this new item we are going to call it let's call it parent. We call it parent, and then we add. Okay, so um let's open our parent program. No. I think we did not add a correct instance. Let us delete this. We right click here and then we create a new item, a Windows form. Yeah, we did not create a correct instance, so we are calling it parent. Okay, so after creating a parent, then we shall go to this, make sure that this is highlighted. We get to the properties, and then here you can arrange them from A to Z, or you can arrange them according to their headings. So let me arrange them from A to Z and then look for, I want to make it a parent, so is MIDI container, you name it true. So after calling it a true, then we are going to make sure that on the execution, this parent is the first to be seen, and then from there, and let's this is going to be uh, our parent form, and then let's rename this form. We come to here, and then on the text let's put in login. Will be our login form, and then we come to this one, and then we come to rename, and then let's make it a login form, login form. Okay, so this is now a login form, and then it is going to appear inside here. So let's create it in a manageable size, and then we come to properties, and then go to the start position, and we change this to the center parent, such that it starts from the parent. So let's add a little bit, few things here. Let us add a label here, and then come to the properties of this label. We are going to give a text as please log in here, Now let's come to the font size. We can use 15, and then okay, so let's put it there. We can copy this and then paste 2 times, and then this one is going to be the okay, so this one is going to be the username. This one is going to be the password. Okay, a password, and then let's have another thing here, and then we call it, okay, go to properties. This one we call it forgot password, forgot login details, forgot login details. So let's have a text box, and then for the password and for the username can copy this and paste there. That's the password. Highlight all of them and then come to the font properties, and then we come to the font, make it 15, and then we are going to use this one as a password. Declare it here. Password character, we make it a star. Okay, so after that, let's have a simple button here for the login, and then okay, so this button, and the properties we just make it login. Okay, log in. So let's try to resize our window to make sure it fits. Okay, so let's create something like a container here. You have a container somewhere, containers, maybe the toolbars. Let's have a group box, and then we just group these. Okay, so I think let's group all this, and then on the group box we can remove the words, so it becomes like that. And then let's make the button, our button, to be of a darker color. We just give it that. No, it's not a nice color. I think all of them, let us make them green, not too much green. Can reduce on the green, yeah. And then we make the text bold. When you got the font and look at the bold, you can make the text 15, and then make it white. The color, font color, you can make it white. Okay, so that's it. Now let's link this form to here, such that when it opens, to starts from there, to be the first form to show on this on the login. So we are going to start to create a simple navigation here. So how do I make a simple navigation here? We have it around here. Okay, so navigation, menu toolbars. Let's have a menu strip from there, and then just tap here. This will be home, and then this will be log in. So for now we can leave like that, and then such that it comes with that strip, and after logging in, somebody will be able to log in. So home will just take us to home, and then login will be there. Let's add another button for log out. Okay, so we can just double click here to link it. So after double clicking, let's create it, and then we have it login form. Okay, so log in, login form, login, call it login form is equal to new login form, and then we shall have the MIDI parent to have this, and then we say login form dot md dot mdi parent, mdi parent, which is that one, will be equaling to this very parent form, parent form dot active form no parent. Okay. Parent, anyway, the name is just here, we can just pick it from there. That dot active form dot active form. No, we just need to go and make it active first of all, but we shall do that. Then we just come to okay, so let's view this. We just say login form dot show. Okay, so like that. So let's make this form active, and then we shall go to the file explorer and go to the programs. Then we change this to parents. Okay, to parent form. Okay, so after that, such that it starts from the parent. Now let's build the solution. Okay, so they are saying does not contain definition of active form. Okay, so let's parent form, and then okay, let's make it. Oh, there's some error here. Oh, sorry, this is the parent. The parent form is where we are, so we can just make this. Say that MIDI parent is equal to this, and then we show it from here, and then let's go to the login page, and then we give it a login form. The Windows state, we can make it like that. Start position is a center parent, we can say center screen, and then this is the size. We can copy this size, and then we say maximum size. We can make it like that, and then okay, so there we go. Let's save changes, and then we run the application. So this is the parent, and when we click on the login, this one comes under this, and when you minimize, it goes here on the parent. Okay, maximize comes there. So that is it. We can say so out, and then we have another form. And the next tutorial we shall look at designing designing the form for actually linking it to the database. I really think so, because You need to design an interface that is going to capture the details of users, the register account, and all that. All right, thank you very much. I wish you a nice time.